What's the meaning of cut rate? Cut rate. Cut rate.
Cut rate. Cut rate. Cut rate means something that is low in quality or price. It often refers to products or services that are being sold at a discount price because they are not as good as the original or other similar items. The term can also be used to describe a person or company that offers cheap or subpar services. However, consumers should be careful when buying cut-rate products as they may not be durable and could end up costing more money in the long run. It's important to consider both quality and price when making purchases.